Smells right. Let's do this. Ooh. Hello and welcome back to the channel. I'm out in the Boxster. I thought I'd give it a quick run out while the sun's out, and I'm now over my coronavirus. I'm not over it, I'm actually negative. I've tested negative. So I thought I'd take it out. I'm not revving it too hard because Jack said don't give it any of the beans. Well, he said don't give it all of the beans. Basically because he's sick of seeing it, which I can kind of understand. So I just thought I'd take it out for a gentle run, and hopefully it's not going to start spewing out smoke because more oil has got into the through the intake and into the cylinders. But other than that, it drives fine. It's still a bit bouncy over the wheels, but before I go into anything, I want to get to 1,000 subscribers. I've not got to 4,000 watch hours anyway for monetization, but it's just it's a nice number to get to for 1,000 subscribers, because I've got to do lots of videos to get to 4,000 watch hours, which I'm not doing, but it would be nice to get to 1,000 subscribers. And 65% of people who view my videos are not subscribers, so it would be great if you're watching and you haven't subscribed, if you could hit subscribe. Anyway, that's my request. Thank you very much for listening to that point. But it's time for this car to go. It still needs the ball joints doing, it still needs the what are those things? Anti-roll bar bushes, home mechanic stuff. Hopefully quite easy to do. There's tons of videos on YouTube on how to do it. It's not for me. So I think someone could pick this car up, fix those things, have it as a track car, have it as an everyday car. The problem that they'll have is the timing chain guides. They're still clicking. They're not making a huge amount of noise just now, but probably because I've not revved it really hard. I've not actually gone above 3,000 revs since I've been driving it, and it cruises quite fine. It needs the tracking doing because Jack's done the struts on the front, so all of that stuff will be off, but it kind of bounces along because of the ball joints and anti-roll bar bushes. The 911 has not been driven for about 12 days because I've had the Rona, my Corona, name that song, but I also need to get a job. I say that every time on the podcast and the video, but you know what, one day I'm going to do something about it. God, I sound nasally, I can hear myself. Sorry about that. But anyway, this video is just about an update. I can hear the timing chain guides now. Just about an update on this car. It's kind of dried out. It doesn't smell nearly as bad as it did, and it's going to dry out some more and not smell some more. So I'm going to spray some more antibacterial spray in here, and hopefully no more biohazard, because it's still fairly clean now, apart from obviously when the MOT guys got in and put their feet in there on the light grey carpet. So, and the most satisfying bit is that Jack's done all the work is the indicator stalk. It still accelerates from low speed and revs quite nicely. Van driver's driving very fast behind me. So I'm really pleased about that stalk being fixed, and I'm hoping that someone will buy it when I advertise it. But the thing is, there's a lorry right in the middle of the road. But the thing that has got me all discombobulated is how to sell it. I don't really want to do it on Auto Trader, and Mark saying I should give it away. Mark of Mark and Cars, my podcast co-host, he says let's get a sponsor, and if we can get £4,000, I can have that £4,000 and we'll just give the car away. The thing about that is, I would love to give it away, but the thing about that is, who do I hate enough to give them this car? Because that's what it would be like. I'd be punishing somebody. It needs to be someone on the podcast who's good at fixing these kind of things. I don't know who that is. But anyway, that's the update. It was a really short video. Thanks for watching. Hit like, hit subscribe, send me the comments. Remember the watch giveaway. There's going to be more stuff to give away. Mark's got tons of stuff that he's got from previous sponsors. I've got a Porsche mug, mint in box, that I'll be giving away. It's one of the bigger ones. Genuine Porsche one from Porsche. So keep a lookout for that, and catch you on the next video. Thanks for watching.